agony. When you want to wake up to face reality, the alarm clock is your savior. If you don't stop and just keep going, you will reach the stars. What does it take to wake your latent talent up? A soft nudge or a slap in the face. It can be a breakfast in bed or rude awakening. Whatever it is, the end result must be the same. To paint or not to paint, my fellow artist, is the question, not by me, but is what you should ask yourself when facing that empty paper or canvas. Don't let doubt or lack of resources stop you. Don't let a breakup or circumstances paralyze you. Don't let the long lines at the grocery keep you right. Like now this poem is made, waiting for donuts to fry, waiting for coffee to dine or to go, matters not. Not a second wasted, not a moment lost to time. Those who have been to the brink know of this. Every bit of life counts. Never be bothered by long lines. Nowadays, even the ones who sneak in front gives me new topics to write. Everyone has a demon possessed. Either it becomes your master, or you tame it, or exercise it by priests or doctors. Self-exorcism is a must for those who can't afford the cure or procedure. Better yet, yielding the advice of more skillful and experienced fellow artists. The advice I found is all but the same. You make art to survive, you must create. To live is to thrive. To face your demons, you make art. Your brush and pencil is your wand. Or talk about and paint him until he's vanquished. No matter how strong, you can defeat that self-sabotaging fiend. Let the challenge be your friend. Let the mountain you climb be your solace. When you choose to create rather than destroy, you already defeat the enemy, rather than complaining about the long line. Write or compose, God hates complainers, and so do doers. Concentrated action and strong wind whistles outside beyond my window. High quality actions only equal to art. Art.